What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day. It is T-Man Sportscards back with another pack here, or mega box, I should say. Today we got Chronicles football. Scooped this up at Walmart today. I've had a tough time finding cards lately, so it's nice to find a mega box. Got 9 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Looking for optic chrome silver parallels, and then the mega exclusive teals. 10 of those. Let's get right into it, boys. Oh man, been sick recently, so feeling a little under the weather. So finally got a box of cards here. Hopefully we can turn our luck around here and pull something nice. Cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's get right into this first pack. I don't think I've ever opened up any of these mega boxes, but I have opened up plenty of Chronicles blaster boxes. So we'll see how this goes. We got Christian McCaffrey. Oh, flipping back and forth on me. Those portrait cards. Devin Lloyd. Chris Olave, rookie. Oh, nice. Brock Purdy, rookie, portrait. Not numbered or anything. Up back and forth. Desmond Ridder. Matt Corral. It's kind of a cool insert, but I don't know about Matt Corral. We got some acetate cards, it looks. We got focus here. Garrett Wilson there. Maybe. What is going on? Ooh. Teal Chris Olave here. Not numbered. Those aren't numbered. And then Mike White on the back. Not bad for the first pack. Had some cool inserts in there. That's one thing I like about Chronicles. You definitely get a good variety. Different looking cards, not just your standard base sets. So we'll take that. All right, a little something back there. Oop. Got a Justin Herbert and Jay Jettis. Michael Pittman. Gonna stay away from him in fantasy football this year. Was not a fan last year. It was tough for Michael Pittman fans. We got, man, the lighting is so bad. Kayvon Thornburg, whatever. Tyreek Woolen. God, these portrait cards actually do look pretty sick. Jaguars. Playoffs, huh? Another acetate playoff momentum. Tavon Walker. We got a score, Brian Robinson, silver. Not numbered or anything. We'll take it. Got another Matt Corral, teal parallel, and then a Javonte Williams. God, I'm making a mess with my piles here. I don't even know what to do. So far, not too bad. Had a couple cool inserts and parallels there, but hopefully we can turn it up for this last couple packs here. Pat Mahomes. Got a Najee Harris. David Ojaba. Alec Pierce following him. Chris Olave for the Saints. Something backwards here. UNP number 11. Wandale Robinson, huh? What do we got here? Unparalleled. Wandale Robinson. Not numbered or anything. It's kind of a different insert. Never seen that. Set that to the side for now. We got a Malik Willis. What the heck is that? It's kind of neat. Never seen that myself. Like I said, I haven't opened none of these mega boxes, so I'm not too familiar with all the inserts on here. Got a teal Malik Willis, and then a Damian Pierce silver on the back. Some cool inserts on there, some ones I've never seen before. We'll take that. Halfway through, not too bad, honestly, for these mega boxes. I kind of like it. It's been hard to find cards lately, so honestly, this is a fun rip. I'll take it. Walmart had them for $50, I think, which is a little steep, but I mean, you know how the hobby is. Kenneth Walker. Got Cheesehead of Sauce Gardner here. None of these cards can be just one direction, can they? Zamir White. So hard to see with this reflection here. Kenny Pickett. Luminance. Kenneth Walker again. Kayvon. Ooh. Prizm Josh Allen? Is this Prizm Black? Oh, that is actually pretty sick. We will take that. Fudge. I definitely should have brought my sleeves out here, but we're going to be super careful with that and set that to the side. That's actually a super good hit. That's crazy. We got Breece Hall on the teal, and then a Portraits Lamar Jackson on the back. We'll take that. Heck yeah. That is right on point. Alright. Back now that I got some sleeves. We will sleeve and topple this Prizm Black. That is a nice hit. We'll take that for sure. These are one of the harder inserts to pull out of this box. So getting it of Josh Allen is pretty sick. Can't complain about that. So it's definitely our best hit so far, 100%. Get on to the second to last pack. Let's keep that luck rolling. Like I said, maybe the second half can really heat up and pull some sick hits here. We got another Sauce Gardner. Love Sauce. Kenny Pickett Portraits. Jalen Hurts. Trey McBride. Oop. A little ahead of ourselves. Calvin Austin III. Jameson Williams on the acetate here. I think he's a Saint now, if I'm not mistaken. Man, this guy's everywhere. Travon Walker. On the Flux. Another teal here. We got, can hardly see, Jesus. Deline Woods. Oh my God, I'm fucking dumb. And then Hassan Haskins on the back. Man, rest in peace. Well, hopefully this last pack will be better than that other one, and hopefully I can actually pronounce the names. We got Ramondre Stevenson, Tom Brady. Let's get through this last pack for today. Drake London, Patrick Mahomes, Bailey Zappi, Brian Robinson Jr., Derek Stingley Jr., got a Garrett Wilson Till, and an Aaron Rodgers on the back to finish it off. Well, overall, not too bad. That Josh Allen really saved us for sure. A couple different inserts, couple silvers. Brian Robinson here, not bad. Nothing too crazy, honestly, but we will take that Josh Allen for sure, honestly. Oh well, but like I said, the big hit of the box is Josh Allen Prizm Black. We'll take that for sure. Looks like the centering's not terrible. I mean, it's in there a little crooked, but oh well. Hopefully it turns out decent. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you have a good day. Stay healthy, stay happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Appreciate it, guys. Catch you later, and peace out.